Cold Water Plunge Therapy, a wellness trend worth trying. Cold water plunge therapy is one of the hottest wellness trends right now, and for good reason. In today's video, we'll explore how this icy practice can boost your health, speed up recovery, and even improve your mental well-being. Let's dive into everything you need to know. Cold water plunge therapy involves immersing your body in cold water, typically between 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius, for short periods of time. Whether it's an ice bath, cold shower, or a lake swim, the key is exposing your body to cold temperatures to activate a variety of health benefits. But how does this work? When your body is exposed to cold, it responds by stimulating circulation, reducing inflammation, and even boosting your immune system. Now, let's talk about why cold water plunge therapy is gaining so much attention. Here are the top 4 benefits you can experience from incorporating it into your routine. First, cold water immersion is known to reduce muscle soreness and inflammation. After a hard workout, jumping into cold water can help decrease swelling, flush out toxins, and speed up your recovery process. Second, it can give your mood a serious boost. Cold exposure triggers the release of endorphins, your body's natural feel-good hormones. It can help fight stress and anxiety, leaving you feeling more energized and positive. Third, cold water therapy improves blood circulation. As your body adapts to the cold, blood vessels constrict and then expand, which increases circulation and oxygenates your cells. This can strengthen your immune system, making you less prone to illness. Lastly, regular cold exposure can help reduce stress and improve sleep. By lowering cortisol levels, your body's primary stress hormone, it helps you feel more relaxed and can lead to better sleep at night. So, how can you start cold water plunge therapy safely? Let's go over some quick tips. Tip 1. Start slow. If you're new to cold exposure, begin with cold showers. Start with water around 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius, and gradually lower the temperature as your body gets used to it. Tip 2. Limit your time. For beginners, aim for 1 to 3 minutes in the cold water. As your tolerance increases, you can extend this to 5 or even 10 minutes, but always listen to your body. Tip 3. Warm up afterward. After your cold plunge, make sure to gradually warm your body back up with light exercise, a warm shower, or simply wrapping up in blankets. Before we finish, let's clear up a couple of common myths about cold water therapy. Myth 1. Cold water therapy is dangerous for everyone. While it's not recommended for those with certain health conditions, cold plunges are generally safe for healthy individuals when practiced correctly. Myth 2. You need ice baths to see results. Not true. Even a cold shower or a dip in a lake can offer similar benefits for your body and mind. Cold water plunge therapy offers numerous health benefits, from muscle recovery to better mood and improved immunity. So, whether you're an athlete or just looking for a new way to boost your well-being, give it a try. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video.